Hey, thank you everyone for joining us today and sharing your valuable time with us. Really, that is the underlying key of the reason why we are all here is to change how we spend our time. So today we are going to talk about and share an overview of Daisy with Endotech project, where passive income meets AI trading and equity crowdfunding. The Daisy Forex AI total compounding growth, that's the gross amount, is actually, we just crossed yesterday. Should have updated this slide. 1,100% gains in 18 months. So since April of 2022, over 350 million has been generated in trading profits for members. So that is the overall benefit, direct benefit to all members involved here. Before we get into the details, we'll go through the disclaimer. Participating in this crowdfunding campaign is a contribution towards AI algorithms development and testing by Endotech through a decentralized autonomous organization, a DAO, and the use of smart contracts on public blockchain. The smart contracts have been independently audited and verified. Crowdfunding campaign contributors shall receive staking rewards resulted from AI algorithms activity as well as equity in Endotech. Prior to Endotech equity distribution, each contributor shall be required to go through KYC and AML verification. Endotech is preparing for public listing. Should Endotech not go ahead with listing, the equity will then be allocated for crowdfunding participants, be converted into dividends for each contributor. Past performance does not guarantee future results and is for informational purposes only. Historical performances shown are also the result of compounding profits. The rewards are contingent upon AI performance and results are not a guarantee. AI performance shall be visible with full transparency to each crowdfunding contributor. So you can go through and screen capture this and make sure you're aware of the entire disclaimer, but that's where I will read through till. So imagine what's possible if you could earn reliable compounding returns through fully audited systems. Today, we will share the next generation AI trading, the trading performance track record. Dr. Anna Becker, the genius mind behind it all, her bio and credibility. Endotech, the company she co-founded and is CEO of, responsible for this project. The vision, Daisy, what is Daisy? Your benefits and equity and compounding passive income. The Daisy crowdfunding model, how it works, and onboarding step-by-step video guidance that we have for you. You're not alone. So let's dive into the next generation AI trading. It has truly never been done before. I know it's a phrase that's been overused, but it has absolutely never been done before. And in fact, it's highly sought after now that it's being accomplished here. It is using artificial intelligence to take successful trading systems to the next level. And the goal is to create the number one AI trading performance in all major markets. Is being developed by Endotech, a breakthrough AI company founded and led by Dr. Anna Becker. Some more details on the Forex AI in specific, launched in April of 2022. It is algorithmic trading currently averaging 1 to 3% a week with new strategies and technology and development ongoing. Excuse me. It is diversified trading strategies in that it uses scalp strategies, intraday strategies, and swing trading. Very short, few minutes or few hour trades, longer hour trades, maybe throughout the day. And then the swing trading is trades that are open for multiple days and even throughout a week or 2 weeks long. It is also diversified in trades the major Forex currencies, currency pairs, and the two precious metals, gold and silver. further details in the Forex AI is it has intensive multi-layered risk management. And this component may be one of our favorite because if you don't protect the fund, if you don't protect the money, then you don't have it to trade. And how they do this is in multiple ways, but the simplest way to explain is each currency that is being traded has separate sub accounts. And then further segmentation is each strategy has their own accounts, and down into even the buys and the sells are separated. And overall, what this multi-layered risk management means for each of us is that no one currency pair, strategy, or trade can affect the overall greater fund. And then there's multiple other angles that risk management is taken in part of, but that is the most important to really focus on. And we've seen less than 15% drawdown. In fact, we like to present the largest number that was ever done, and it was a one-time incident. Typically, we're seeing 1 to 3% drawdown and have never had a losing week and definitely never a losing month. Part of this is also because a huge part of the risk management is in leverage. It is typically 1 to 50 and as low as 1 to 10. And in fact, in the last 6 months, when there was a lot of changes and evolving happening with the platform and artificial intelligence itself, there was zero leverage. And Dr. Anna Becker is very keen on exactly that. So the leverage is still very low and at zero for the most part now, and will be increasing throughout this month of October. We've moved into more of a holistic approach because Dr. Anna Becker back in February announced to us that she had cracked the code with her recent breakthroughs, and that is what has been being implemented throughout the last few months and is in full implementation as of right now. And in her words, she describes it as we have a living system that is performing in real market systems. So she has taken and divided the artificial intelligence components of the platform and separated it so they're each individual AI focusing on a specific strength. So there is an AI expert focusing all on trends, another one focusing on technical analysis, etc. All the separate, intricate areas of expertise required for analyzing and doing the technical trades in the markets. And then along with that, we have human expert traders trading along with the AI, and the AI is learning from those traders. So a holistic approach that's never been done before. Let's dive into the crypto AI 2.0 implementation initiated in July and is in full motion of implementation as of this month. So we should start seeing performance in the crypto very soon. There's over 70 AI experts comprised of technical, fundamental, and market states, now having the ability to maneuver complex market moves with ease because of this segmentation of areas of expertise. In testing, the Sharpe ratio was recently 3.9, and that was an increase from 1.9 to 2.1. And she is aiming for a 5 Sharpe ratio. There's the chart that she shared with us. And previously, crypto was seeing 50% profitable trades and then now is seeing 85 to 90% profitable trades. Some comparative performance data we thought we would share with you here just to have something to compare with is from eurekahedge.com. And this is using equally weighted of 12 constituent funds, and these funds utilize artificial intelligence and machine learning theory in their trading processes. So nowhere near at the level that the testing and development fund we have access to are. The only thing that we have it to compare to. And as of April of 2023, they were seeing an annualized percent return of 10.34. And at that time, the return was 2.3 so far. So you can go and they have a lot of data on their site, eurekahedge.com, and have a look around for yourself if you like. Let's talk about Dr. Anna Becker, the mind behind it all, Endotech CEO and founder. Her team of AI scientists have more than 20 proprietary systems in operation and serve as the AI investing backbone of trading at more than 150 investment firms across the US, Europe, and Asia. At the age of 20, she found an approximation algorithm by a factor of two, which now has worldwide applications in operating and database systems. Just a fun fact to demonstrate that she has been a genius and highly accomplished from a young age. She has a PhD in artificial intelligence from the Technion Institute and has founded and sold several AI companies in the fintech space. She's been recognized for over 25 years as a pioneer and leading scientist in the field of AI and financial technology. Her publications have been distributed and integrated into many of the leading AI financial circles across Europe and America. Her deep learning algorithms manage billions of dollars of assets under management and have been deployed in managing institutional monies for more than a decade. Now let's delve into Endotech. You can have a look at Endotech as a company yourself and visit their website, endotech.io, a $200 million AI fintech company with a greater than $2 billion valuation as of 2 years ago. Founded in 2012, they are the first true software as a service solution in the field of AI-driven automated trading. And they help retail and institutional investors harness the power of AI algorithms to capitalize on market volatility. Currently are providing AI trading systems for top financial institutions, hedge fund managers, and accredited investors. In fact, you can go through their website and take part in it yourself. $125,000 annual fee and greater than 500,000 to access and put into active trading if you like. Not accessible through their website to any public accredited investors or institutions are what we have access here through Daisy, though. Working towards an IPO with a target of 500 million assets under management, and they are privately audited by one of the big four, Ernst & Young. They have a proven track record of high performance results for many years. Hundreds of thousands of investors are now tapping into institutional grade solutions previously only accessible to quant hedge funds and large institutional investors because of what we're doing here. So we share these details on Endotech and Dr. Anna Becker because I don't know about you, but there's no one else that we would like to see in charge of our money and the kind of performance that we're seeing. So the vision to create the world's leading AI trading performance in multiple major financial markets beyond Forex and crypto, and truly to give the masses access to dependable, high return trading systems. Endotech going public with a target of greater than 500 million assets under management. Now, how are they going to do this? Well, with an innovative, disruptive model using groundbreaking technology. And at this point, I'm going to hand it over to my business partner, Bren. Bren, are you there?
I'm here.
Over to you.
So the business model that has made all of this possible is known as Daisy, a business community with a limitless future. You can see myself and Susan with the founders there. We got to spend some quality time with them recently at an event in Budapest. So what exactly is Daisy? It's a decentralized equity crowdfunding platform built on the blockchain so that we have full transparency, traceability, and visibility of every immutable transaction. Currently crowdfunding Endotech for the development of their Daisy AI project. You now know about Endotech. Crowdfunders receive equity, an equity stake in Endotech, and real-time rewards from any potential trading results in both cryptocurrency and Forex. Daisy leverages the power of community to back breakthrough fintech financial technology using a model where everybody wins with profits, equity, and income. And the benefits for you, to recap, is ownership. You get to own a potential stake in Endotech, which is scheduled to go public next year and receive dividends in the future, and trading rewards from performance, potential rewards based on the Forex and cryptocurrency trading funds. The track record to date, there's over 5 million transactions on all of the smart contracts, and we're approaching 250,000 crowdfunding members since inception in January 2021. There's now over $500 million in live trading capital actively working in the funds. Over $373 million in trading profits has been earned by the community, and over $250 million has been withdrawn. Daisy has paid out more in profits and rewards than has been contributed to Daisy. That's important to keep note, by tens of millions of dollars. Equity crowdfunding model allows you to contribute to the development of Endotech's trading AI and all future projects on this crowdfunding model. As you now know, there's two categories of contribution: crypto AI and Forex AI. And 70% of your contribution is used in the live trading fund for the purposes of testing and developing and refining this technology. The other 30% goes towards your piece, securing your piece of equity in Endotech. 70% of all trading profits you get to keep. The other 30% is a performance fee that we pay to Endotech every 6 months. Contributors are also rewarded with their share of 5% equity in Endotech. So Endotech has set aside 5% of its company for us, the community members of Daisy. There's tiers, levels to your contribution, starting with as low as $200. That's the minimum contribution to the crowdfunding model, and there's no ceiling on how much you can contribute. Along the left column here, you'll see what we call tiers. You can see that they ascend in monetary value, where each one is twice the value of the previous one. The second column, you'll see the amount, the allocation that goes into live trading. And on the right-hand column, you'll see the amount of shares that you receive in that 5% equity in Endotech, which begins at tier 3. And so a time-sensitive opportunity is to take advantage of what we call momentum tiers, which place 90% into live trading as opposed to the 70% you just saw. Anyone that has purchased tier 2 or higher is eligible for this, and you receive the same amount of equity as a regular tier. So even though 90% is going into live trading, you still receive the same amount of equity as if 70% was going into live trading, which is very powerful. You can see here a visual demonstration of it. Tier 2 onwards, column 2, you'll see that 90%. This happens each time you repurchase a tier that you already own. So for example, if you would already purchase tier 3 or tier 4, the second time you purchase that or repurchase it, 90% of the value of that purchase will go into live trading. There is no ceiling on the amount of these momentum tiers you can purchase. You can rebuy and purchase as many of them as you like. So my friends, short and to the point, together we're here to create history. We already are. We're disrupting multiple industries with what's been accomplished here. We hope you got value from this presentation. Please click the button below this video, wherever you're watching it. If you're on the live presentation, be sure to get back to the person who invited you, and we look forward to seeing you inside of our community. We do offer step-by-step video guidance that you can find over at joindaisy.global, which will walk you through everything you need to know to get signed up and set up and get running and get your capital to work for you inside of this platform. And we're now ready to open it up for Q&A.
Any questions? Well, clear. Excellent. Thank you so much again for sharing your time with us. Time is a valuable, finite resource. We'll be back next week. Watch all of the announcement channels for any updates in between. Have an amazing rest of your day.